Here's our Cadac 2Cook2Pro 6 months later. Does it still work? Because we had a look at what's in the box. Yeah, this little plate here is excellent for making toast. See? Kettle's boiling. Everything still works. Flicks on. Turn that one off. No. And yeah, management.
Turn it off.
Management. So yeah, while we're making breakfast here, I can say it's a good product. Thumbs up for me. The only problem is probably these things here, like a little windshield on each side. Beyond that, great little thing. Packs away nicely. Flick starts every single time. Important for your tea. So there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Look at this stuff. That is
dehydrated beetroot.
Dehydrated beetroot. Okay, as you do for breakfast, right? Okay, kettle's boiling, time for tea. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Keep rolling.